Hey guys, back with another video, and today, if I said that 2 times, because my thing wasn't working, so today we're doing, so in my videos before I didn't do any, like, talking because I didn't think I could, but I can now, and I do Minecraft and I do some other stuff like that. So, as I showed you in your last video, how to get off your horse, in 2 different ways. So, if you want to see how to do that, you can go and check out that video. This is one of my Minecraft worlds, pretty big, there's a castle. And guys, I'm going to show you my chicken farm. So this is going to take a bit of time, and I made it today, so I'm going to show you. And I'm the only reason I'm making this YouTube video is because I just found out that I could do something. It was actually a really good idea. So, chicken farm. There we go. So if you guys want to do self-recording on the screen like this, where it's recording the screen, get the app called Mobizen. It's good. So, and then you just literally go onto it, and there's a little thing in the corner, and it says M on it, and you can, if you're on Samsung, you can scroll down on the screen like that, and you can press record and then stop and then pause like that. So I'm gonna pause this. So I'm just gonna pause this video now because it can take a long time to record. Oh, and one more thing. With Apple, you would just press on that, and then little options come out. You press on the little corner, and then little options come out like that. You can see that, guys. So. Bye.